Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 980 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to start this video off with a little PR unboxing from one of my favorite brands, Purlisse, Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. So I absolutely love Purlisse products. I love both of their BB creams so much. They're like my favorite foundation products. I love their primer, I love their skincare. I was very excited when I saw this product here, and I'm so thankful that they sent it to me. This is their new Youth Glow Vitamin C CC cream, and this one has SPF 50, which I am so excited about. I love a high SPF product. This came so beautifully packaged. And so not only is this from one of my favorite brands, a new complexion product from them, but it also has two of my favorite skincare ingredients in it, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Two things that my skin really needs badly these days. So it's supposed to be color correcting, brightening, age defying, but that hyaluronic acid is going to help moisturize the skin, which with the colder weather, my skin definitely needs. And the vitamin C is going to help brighten and clear up those dark spots, which my skin is breaking out pretty badly these days, and then healing up. So the vitamin C is really going to help heal my skin faster. And of course, I like to wear a sunscreen, a sun protectant product year round. So here is how it looks. Beautiful packaging, similar to the other BB creams. And this retails for $38, and I get my skin complexion products in the shade light medium. I find it to be a really beautiful shade match for me. So my skin right now is completely bare, so I'm really going to see how this applies without any enhancing, correcting type of primer and without any other hydrating products on top of it. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand, start out with that much. And just my personal preference when it comes to applying my liquid foundation type products, I like to use the dampened beauty sponge. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's what I usually do, but sometimes I'll just apply this with my fingers. Some people prefer to use a brush. I think that the Purlisse complexion products apply beautifully no matter which method you use. Oh yeah, right away, this is already looking so great on the skin. I'm getting really good coverage and color correcting over the redness on my face. Look at how even that looks now. So I'm just applying this to half of my face to start so that we can really compare the difference. And this is looking so good on the skin. It's looking so smooth. It's looking glowy. It's looking hydrated. So here is the difference. With it, the skin just looks so perfected. Without it, so much discoloration, blemishes, splotchiness. So I am loving this. I'm so excited. As always, we have an appearance from Dexter today. All right, I gotta go ahead and apply to the rest of my face and just improve drastically the look of my skin. I love the coverage that I can get from this. A CC cream with pretty much full coverage that looks so light on the skin. Even though I'm getting really great coverage, it doesn't look heavy, it doesn't look cakey. Taking a tiny bit more on the back of my hand to finish off the rest of my face. Gosh, I do not know how Purlisse does it, how they make the most amazing foundation products that just gives such beautiful coverage and healthy glow to the skin, but it doesn't look like I have product on my face. It just looks so smooth and skin-like. I absolutely love it. That's what I want in my foundation products. I don't want it to look like I'm wearing foundation, but I want my skin to look perfect. And I feel like this is giving me exactly that. Like, I can get such great coverage over these blemishes that I don't even feel like I need to spot conceal. And then aside from the blemishes and the redness on my face, which this is doing such a perfect job of covering, I also have large pores along my cheeks and my nose. And even with no primer underneath this, it still sits very smooth and beautiful on top of the pores. And something else that I'm really impressed by is how hydrating this is, because my skin was definitely dry after just washing it and not putting any moisturizer or primer or anything on it. And my skin does not look or feel dry at all anymore. Even where I would have dry patches, like on my chin, it's looking completely smooth. Like, my skin right now looks so ideal, so flawless and healthy and glowy and radiant, and I am in love with this product. But I have to remind myself, not only does it look amazing on the skin, it has SPF 50 and vitamin C in it, which is going to do so much good for my skin, protect my skin, improve the appearance of my skin. So this is just all around amazing. I expected that I was gonna love this product, but still I am just like, oh my gosh, it is so good. But I will do a wear test on this. So either in the description down below, I'll put my wear test results of how this lasts, or I'll try and remember to take some video clips checking in on how this is wearing. But gosh, first impressions, clearly I absolutely love this. How can I not when it looks like this? So I would love to know in the comments down below if you have tried out the Purlisse Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Here is a 4-hour check-in on my CC cream, and I think it is looking so good. It's looking just as good as when I applied it. It feels super comfortable on the skin.